Hello, guys. Welcome to the Trading Ambience weekly market recap and outlook. In this session, we are breaking down what the market actually delivered over the past weeks, key impulses, continuations, and structural reactions across higher and lower time frames. Then we then transition into the week ahead, mapping out high probability scenarios, critical high time frame levels, and continuation zones to watch. So we are not just trading going into the week, but trading with structure, context, and alignment. So let's get into the chart. So we are starting with Aussie Kiwi, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. On the weekly time frame, we have a bearish impulse here. As you can see on my screen, we have this bearish impulse to the downside. We have this bearish impulse. Then we have a overall bearish continuation structure. We have a overall bearish continuation structure here. So within this bearish structure, we have a bullish impulse right here, bullish impulse, and this looks to me like a bearish reversal structure. This structure here looks like a bearish reversal structure to me. So which means the price should start dropping to this low. So on the higher time frame. So that's a long term setup. But now looking at this structure on the daily on the weekly time frame, the price is presently at the high at the very top of this bearish continuation structure on the weekly time frame. So going down to the daily, right here, we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure right here. As you can see, we have an ascending wedge here. So the price should be dropping down with this ascending wedge. So now going inside a bit, we have within this structure, we have this bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. I posted this setup during the week. So looking at it, if you go down to the mid time frame to see what is happening there, right here within this daily structure, we have multiple bullish price actions. As you can see, this is an impulse, bullish reversal, a bullish impulse, bullish continuation, bullish impulse, bullish continuation. Then another bullish impulse to break out of the bullish continuation structure on the daily time frame. So right here on the mid time frame, we have a bullish impulse, a bullish continuation, and I am in this trade already. I placed my entry somewhere around here. The price took me in. It hasn't done anything yet. So, but I think this should give us at least 2 hours. Then we'll be looking, we'll be watching this zone at this very top for a reversal structure here on the mid time frame to be in alignment with the weekly time frame bearish setup on the AUD New Zealand dollar. So moving on to the next one, we have CAD CHF. CAD CHF on the weekly time frame, we have we have multiple bullish structures. For example, you can see we have a bearish impulse here. We have this bearish impulse, then bullish reversal structure. Then within this overall bullish reversal structure, we have another bearish impulse right here. We have this bearish impulse, as you can see. Then we have a bullish, sorry, then we have a bullish reversal structure here. So going down again, looking into this setup, into this structure, we have a bearish impulse, then another bullish reversal structure here. So we are at the price is at the very low of this overall bullish reversal structure. So going into this now, on the daily time frame, the price has created a low here and a psychological level 0.56. So as you can see, I think right here we have a triple bottom here, and the price has already broken out of this structure, this last structure, this bearish impulse bullish reversal structure. But for the best reason best known to the market, the price did not continue. But right now we are at this very low, and if we go down a bit to the mid time frame to see what the market is actually doing there. Right here we have a bearish impulse, a bullish reversal on the mid time frame. Then right here we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation, bullish impulse, then another bullish continuation. So I'll be looking forward to join this market when the market opens. I'll place my entry somewhere around here, stop loss below this structure, then see how far we can go with this setup on CAD CHF. So onto the next one, we have Eurocard. On Eurocard, we have this high right here, and presently the price is moving in this structure, bullish impulse, bearish reversal, and then going down to the daily time frame as well. You can see clearly here we have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal. We have a bullish impulse as well right here, then a bearish reversal structure here. So the price has broken out of this of this bearish reversal structure. We have been talking about it for the past couple of weeks now. This euro card on the higher time frame. Then looking at this now, the price broke above this structure on the daily time frame, but it did not continue. The price did not continue to the upside. Rather, the price dropped down impulsively and printed a bearish continuation structure on the mid time frame. As you can see, this was where the price broke out of the bearish continuation structure on the daily time frame. The price broke out but did not continue. Rather, it printed a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. And you can see the price impulsed down, then printed a continuation structure here. Then here again, we have a breakout of this trend line to the downside, and we have a bearish impulse and a bearish continuation structure. So going into the week, I think it is okay to place your entry here, then stop loss above this structure to join the bearish momentum on Euro CAD. So on to the next one, we're looking at Euro USD. I talked about it during the week. On Euro USD, we have a bearish impulse, overall bullish reversal structure. And from the base of this bullish reversal structure, we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. And as you can see right here as well, we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal. This is a 5 wave count for those who are trading Elliott wave 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then to the downside. So looking at this now on the daily time frame, you can see it clearly here. We have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure right here. So on the mid time frame, we have an ascending channel right here within that structure, and the price has broken out of the ascending channel. Initially, I took a trade here that took me out at break even. Then I placed my entry right here again, stop loss above it. I'm still in this trade, but running in loss. Hasn't done much yet. So when the market opens, I'm hoping the price will drop down to our price target on the Euro USD. Going on to the next one, we have GBP card, GBP CAD. On GBP CAD, we have this higher time frame bullish impulse, overall bearish reversal structure, and the price is presently at this previous high level. So going down to the daily time frame on GBP card, as you can see, we have a bullish impulse, we have a bearish reversal structure, then a bearish impulse out of this bearish reversal structure, a bearish impulse, and right here we have a bearish continuation structure. So going down to the mid time frame, I'm looking forward to see something like this here, a bearish. We already have a bearish impulse, and I'm looking forward to see a bearish continuation structure on the mid time frame. So let's go there to see what we have there. So on the mid time frame, we have an ascending structure here on the mid time frame. To me, this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So the price has broken out of this ascending channel, and I am looking forward to see a bearish continuation structure, just as I have I've shown you there. So on the lower time frame, this is what we have right here on the lower time frame. We have this bearish impulse, and to me, this is a bearish continuation structure. So going into the week, my entry will be somewhere below here. Then my stop loss above this structure. If the price impulse out to take me in and join the momentum down to the uh, to the downside on the higher time frame with GBP card. So going to the on to the next one, we have USD CHF. On USD CHF, we have the price has been moving in a bearish sequence for a while, bearish impulse, bearish continuation, bearish impulse. But right here, we have a bullish reversal structure. We have a bullish reversal structure. Sorry, yeah, right here we have a bullish reversal structure. So going down to the daily, to see what is actually happening here. If you look at it, we have this descending wedge, and the price initially broke out of this structure, but the price did not continue. It has not printed a continuation structure yet. So going down to the mid time frame, since we are clear that it is a bullish reversal structure. So going down to the mid time frame on USD CHF, we have this descending trend line, and this is where the price pushed back up, pushed back up and broke out of this trend line to the upside. So I'm looking at this as a bullish continuation structure, bullish impulse, bullish continuation on the mid time frame. So I'll be looking to see the market push out of this structure, entry above it, stop loss below it, and see if we can join the momentum, the bullish momentum to the upside on the higher time frame. So going on to the next one, we have AUDCHF. AUDCHF on the higher time frame, weekly time frame, we have a bearish impulse, a bullish reversal structure, and then we have this low, the previous low. Then approaching this low, we have a descending channel, and the price has broken out already of this descending channel. So looking at it now, going down to the uh, to the daily time frame, we can see clearly right here we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. The price has broken out of this and broken out of the overall descending channel as well. So now going down to the mid time frame to see what is actually happening there. After the breakout of the overall descending channel, as you can see it here, so we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. Then the price moved to the upside, dropped back a bit, printed a descending wedge, then pushed higher again, dropped back, by printing bullish impulse, bullish continuation. So right here we have a structure here, and I think this structure is a continuation structure. So looking at it now, we have this bullish impulse and this bullish continuation on the mid time frame. So I would say it is safe to place your entry somewhere around there when the market opens, and your stop loss below this structure to join the higher time frame momentum, uh, pushing higher in the coming weeks on AUD CHF. The next in line is AUD USD. So for AUD USD, the overall structure here is bullish. We have a bearish impulse, higher time frame, bullish reversal structure. Then coming down here within this higher time frame bullish reversal structure, we have a bullish impulse right here, and we have a bullish continuation structure right here. So going down to the daily time frame, the price has already broken out of that bullish continuation structure, the weekly bullish continuation structure, and right here we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. I took a trade from here that I closed somewhere around here. So right now you can see that we approached this high, we approached this previous high on the daily time frame, and the price has actually broken out of that high. So looking at this now, if we go down a bit to the mid time frame to see what we have there, what we have here is a continuation structure on the mid time frame. So looking at this, I'll be looking forward to see a continuation structure here on the mid time frame or lower time frame when the market opens in the coming week, as the price has already broken out of this structure. So we have a bullish impulse, a bullish continuation. I would like to see something like this here on the mid time frame or the lower time frame, then place my entry above it to join the momentum, then stop loss below it, going into the week. So the next in line we have is Euro GBP, Euro pounds. On Euro GBP higher time frame structure, we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation. So this looks like overall bullish structure to me on the Euro GBP. So going down to the daily time frame now, within that structure, we have this low right here, and we have a descending channel. A descending channel to me is a bullish structure. So now the price hit this low last week, then pushed higher, dropped back again, then went below that low, then pushed higher impulsively last week on the daily time frame. So now going down to the mid time frame, as you can see, we have here the price has already broken out of that descending channel on the mid time frame. So going into the week, I am seeing this as a bullish continuation, a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation. So on the 15th of on the lower time frame, I'll be looking forward to see a breakout of this structure, then place my entry just above it, and stop loss below this continuation structure to join the higher time frame momentum on Euro GBP. Then the last but not the least for this week, weekly market recap and outlook is New Zealand USD. So looking at New Zealand USD on the weekly time frame is very clear. We have a clean bearish impulse and a clean bullish reversal structure on the weekly time frame. So going down into this structure, we have a bullish impulse here, bullish continuation structure, which aligns with this overall structure. So now going down to the daily time frame, so within this bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure that we talked about earlier, we have another bullish impulse from the base of this structure, bullish impulse, then a new bullish continuation structure. So right here, the price has broken out of this continuation structure impulsively. So going down to see what is happening here now on the mid time frame, what we have here is a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So what should we be expecting? I'm expecting to see a breakout of this structure, and the market should print a continuation structure like this. Then that will be good enough for me to get into the market and join the momentum of the overall higher time frame buyers on the USD, sorry, on the New Zealand USD. So that wraps up this week's market recap and for and a weekly outlook. Remember, the goal is not to predict; it is to prepare. Let's let the price come to our levels. Let's watch out for these structures as I've highlighted. Uh, Respect higher time frame structure and execute only when alignment is present. So if you found value in this breakdown, make sure you stay connected with the trading ambience for consistent, structure driven market analysis throughout the week. Trade with clarity, manage risk, and I will see you in the next breakdown. Thank you.